Rup. Rup. We're the paparazzi. Rup. Flap your wings. You're so pretty.
Hi.
Look at her.
Oh, look, you went swimming. Really?
Go out there and eat what?
I see her falling. You're so pretty.
Look at it.
Hi. Wait, what did they eat?
If we brought some bread, we could probably feed us some bread. Like right now, if we have some bread, you know we'd eat it.
Yeah. I wish we had
Come
bread.
on. Look at him. Did you just see that? He's gonna eat the beavers. Whoa. He's so pretty.
Look at little fish. I've never seen a goose in a creek.
Yeah.
I haven't either. Either they're on the water or...
Or around there. Look at that.
That's so pretty. That's
It's
cotton.
moving.
Maybe when you move or something.
Maybe it's a beaver.
Something's probably right there. There might have been something that's not down
That goose is still fit.
That goose is a baddie.
Daddy. Daddy. Addy.
On my daddy.
What?
there.
That's how it goes.
Yeah,
See how that water's
beavers did
higher?
that.
It's higher here than it is over there.
Guys, there's the pee hole.
Behold. Wait, that's what happens. What if somebody doesn't even know? And they just...
Well, if you can't see that, maybe you shouldn't be walking around after the
I peed in that.
Well, like, what if they're not looking down?
Just
Wait. I thought I saw a beaver.
beavies. Better not drop my phone in here. Beavies. If I do, I'd cry.
Yeah, you can see.
Come on, guys, let's go. J-Bot, can we please go closer to the beach?
not tonight.
Please. Please, I'll pay you $2. Or $5 since that's what got us in here. Yeah.
Guys, am I like technically ginger?
This is way better than the other lake. Isn't it?
What
Yeah.
color is this? If it has red.
Yeah. Blondie red.
Strawberry blonde? Strawberry brown? Strawberry brown. Oh, I think that's a thing, but now it's a thing. Wait, is this Auburn?
Look, it says something right there. Astern. Astern something. Look at these giant ants.
Yeah, why are the ants so big? Look at butterflies!
It's a monarch. Monarchs are going extinct. It's kind of
They're
sad.
definitely not extinct here.
Yeah. I wish I could put that goose in my nature thingy. This is my nature thingy so far, though, guys. What's that? Is that a beaver? Listen, stop.
Oh, what is that?
It's a crocus.
A crocus?
What's a crocus?
I don't know.
Do they croak?
They sound like a crocus.
What is a crocus?
What the sigma is a crocus?
These are just made up of crocus.
Do you guys know what a crocus is? Look, that's definitely
Like,
beaver.
do not hear your phone.
You'd be paying for it, G-Paw.
Me?
I'll say you did it.
No.
You're the one that leaned it over the edge.
Yeah, you're not going to get it back.
The beavers will eat it.
Donate that one to the swamp.
It's
Shrek. Yeah, Shrek will have a
There you
phone.
go, Shrek.
phone.
There's a freaking baby tick on me.
There's a baddie.
What are you? There's a literal baby tick on me. Get away from it. What?
Let's go the other
I
ground.
wonder what's trying to go this other way.
And that came with it. Well, that leads to, where do you mean?
Yeah, we can go that way.
Jiba, can we please go back to the beach?
Well, that way goes. That way goes to that.
It's like a travel highway, almost walking highway.
Wait. That way goes to
Let's go that way, guys.
yeah.
I don't know. See where it goes at least. Did we go this way?
No, we went that way. See the car?
Well, the car's over there, I know, but did we ever come this way?
No, we went that way. I have seashells, rocks, and leaves. I think there are a couple. We're brother and sister.
How do you know?
I don't know, I thought. That's what I just said, G-Paul.
Brothers and sisters?